Everyone, now in this section we will discuss about binary to gray conversion and gray to binary conversions, and we are representing like this: b0, b1, b2 up to so on bn minus 1 and bn, and in gray z0, z1, z2, z3 up to so on zn. By using XOR gate means we have to add. Already we know OR gate means adding. So let's see this table. 0 0 we appear as 0 0 0 1 we add, we get 1. 1 0 we add, we get 1, and 1 1 we get as 1 0. So this is carry. So we get 0 as XOR gate. And let us convert from binary to gray code. We will represent. Let us take this example: 1 1 0 1 1. And b0, b1, b2, b3, b4. So let us see this. While converting from binary to gray code, let's just simply this one converted to gray directly and add this binary 2 values. We will get this z3 value, and by adding b2, b3 we will get z2, and b2, b1 we will get z1, and b1, b0 we get z0. In the same way we will convert any example. Let us see this 0 0 1. We will take it as b0, b1, b2, and directly this is converted into gray. We will get z2 value 0, and add this 2. We will get 0 only, z1, and add this 2. We will get 1. This is z0. In this way we will convert binary to gray. And let us see this gray to binary. This is the result of gray. While converting this into gray, we will get 1 0 1 1 0. So let us see this example as convert into binary. In gray to binary also we will represent b0, b1, b2 in the same way up to bn, z0, z1 up to so on zn. Let us take this example. We will represent these values as gray: z0, z1, z2, z3, z4. And a small difference between binary to gray and gray to binary is, first we will take this directly into binary value b4, and the result of gray and g3 we will add these two values. We will get b3, and the result of this and g2 value we will get b2. In the same way, the result of this gray and this gray value we will add, we will get binary value. In the same way, let us take this one example. Same example we will see 0 1 0. Okay, this is z0, z1, z2. While converting this into binary b2, b1, b0, let us take this, add, we will get z1 as binary, and add these two values. We will get result as 1, and add these two values. We will get result as 1. This is the gray binary value while converting from gray to binary. In this way we will convert binary to gray and gray to binary. The small difference is, in binary to gray we will add these two binary values, and in gray to binary we will add the result of binary and gray value. We will get this binary values. Thank you so much for watching this video.